Ever stare at a $10,000 watch and think, what if I told you that the same luxurious vibe, the shine, the elegance, the presence, can be achieved for a fraction of the cost? Today, we're breaking the myth that luxury has to empty your wallet. Because in 2025, manufacturing has become so advanced that some affordable watches look just as premium as their high-end cousins. So stay with me as we break down 5 budget watches that punch way above their weight, delivering style, prestige, and presence without the premium price tag. The Orient Bambino is often crowned the king of affordable dress watches, and for good reason. Its design delivers a level of elegance typically found only in watches priced 10 times higher. The iconic domed mineral crystal and dome dial create a vintage curvature that catches light beautifully, while the applied indices, clean leaf-style hands, and subtle sunburst finish give it a classic luxury aura. Launched over a decade ago, the Bambino series has gone through several generations, each improving case finishing, movement accuracy, and dial clarity. It comes in a wide range of variations: Roman numerals, minimalist stick indices, open heart versions, small seconds, gold tone cases, leather straps, and multiple dial colors such as champagne, navy, emerald, white, and black. Its in-house automatic movement adds horological credibility and boosts the social value of wearing a real mechanical watch instead of fashion quartz. Among young professionals, the Bambino is seen as a gentleman's companion, a watch that quietly suggests good taste without trying too hard. Its 40 to 42 mm case suits formal wear, weddings, office meetings, and refined settings. Priced between $100 and $150, it effortlessly mimics the aesthetic of luxury dress watches like Grand Seiko and Longines, making it one of the most visually premium watches in the budget market. The Pagani Design PD1661 is a stunning affordable diver that visually competes with watches far outside its price class, largely due to its polished stainless steel case, ceramic bezel insert, sapphire crystal, and solid link bracelet, features that were completely unheard of at this price point just a few years ago. Released as part of Pagani's modern wave of high-value homages, this model draws inspiration from the iconic Rolex Submariner, bringing a nearly identical wrist presence with its luminous indices, clean dial layout, and robust diving aesthetic. The PD1661 comes in various bezel and dial combinations: black, blue, green, two-tone gold, full steel, and Pepsi-style variants. It uses a reliable Seiko NH35 automatic movement, giving it mechanical credibility and long-term performance. Although the brand is relatively young, founded in the mid-2010s, it has gained massive traction in online communities and social media for delivering specifications normally found in watches above $500. The PD1661 carries strong social value. On the wrist, it exudes a confident, successful vibe, thanks to its sporty luxury diver design associated with premium watch culture. It's ideal for casual wear, business casual outfits, vacations, and everyday use. Priced at only $70 to $110, it offers unbeatable luxury looks on a realistic budget. The Casio Edifice EFE series is a fantastic entry into the world of sporty luxury aesthetics, combining multi-layered chronograph-style dials, high-quality case finishing, and automotive-inspired designs that give it the presence of a premium sports watch. Unlike traditional Casios known for simplicity, the Edifice line stands out with its bold angular lugs, polished and brushed surfaces, deep sunburst dials, and dynamic index designs. The EFE series includes variations with chronograph functions, date windows, colored accents, stainless steel bracelets, leather straps, and dial colors ranging from blue and black to silver, red accented, and carbon pattern textures. This lineup has been around for several years, becoming a popular upgrade for buyers who want something more refined than basic budget watches, but still affordable. Socially, the edifice gives off a professional, modern, and active impression, perfect for office environments, weekend outings, and smart casual fashion. It's often compared to more expensive models from brands like Tissot or Tag Heuer due to its layered dial architecture and bold presence. The quartz movement keeps the price low without compromising the premium look. For $60 to $90, the EFE series offers remarkable visual complexity and a luxury sports feel that can easily pass for a far more expensive timepiece. The Invicta Pro Diver 8926OB has become one of the most recognizable affordable dive watches, known for delivering impressive luxury-inspired aesthetics at a modest price. Its polished stainless steel case, scalloped bezel, and classic diver proportions closely resemble premium Swiss divers, offering strong wrist presence without the premium cost. The watch features a reliable automatic movement, often the Seiko SNK809, a clean black dial with applied indices, luminous hands, and a rotating bezel, all contributing to that high-end dive watch feel. Introduced many years ago, the 8926OB has built a strong legacy as one of Invicta's best value pieces, attracting collectors who appreciate its combination of affordability and visual appeal. The Pro Diver comes in various models: gold tone, two-tone, blue dial, full stainless steel, blacked out versions, and upgraded bracelet options. Socially, the watch carries a surprisingly strong impact. People who see it often assume it costs far more, given its resemblance to iconic diving luxury brands. It fits well with casual wear, travel outfits, smart casual fashion, and even business settings thanks to its clean and timeless design. At $70 to $120, the Invicta Pro Diver offers a classic luxurious look backed by many years of reputation, making it a standout option for anyone seeking a premium appearance on a small budget. The Seiko SNK809 is a minimalist military-style watch that has earned legendary status among affordable timepiece enthusiasts due to its perfect balance of simplicity, refinement, and brand reputation. Its brushed stainless steel case gives off a subtle luxury feel, while the Arabic numerals, date window, and clean dial layout create an aesthetic that is understated yet undeniably premium. Originally introduced over a decade ago as part of Seiko's 5 series, the SNK809 has remained relevant due to its timeless design and strong community respect. It comes in several variations: black dial, blue, SNK807, green, SNK805, and beige, SNK803, along with different strap options. The in-house Seiko 7S26 automatic movement enhances the watch's cultural and horological value. Socially, the SNK809 communicates taste, maturity, and a preference for minimalistic elegance. It's especially popular among collectors who appreciate clean design over flashy styling. Lightweight and versatile, it fits perfectly with casual outfits, business casual clothing, and everyday wear. Priced around $90 to $130, it delivers legendary Seiko reliability and a refined presence that quietly outshines many fashion watches costing much more.